Hello guys and welcome to a new video. In today's episode we are gonna try and I will show you how to install mods on Beamng Drive because many of you maybe don't know how to get the mods. So of course just go in your browser and try to find Modland, okay? Sadly, because I don't have many subscribers, I can't put the link on the description, but I will let the website name on the chat or description. Okay, so we're going to Modland. Okay, and we have to select Beamng point drive. Okay, and we scroll. Oh, and I see this mod. Okay, there's a mod I like. Okay, or maybe this one, or maybe this one. Okay, this one, no, it's with money. We don't have money. But I don't know, let's find something maybe which you will like to install. To think like, oh, I'm new, I just started Beamng and I want to get some mods. Okay, Porsche, no, because it's with money. Oh, wait, look at this. Mitsubishi. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, BMW. Okay, no, scroll more. Okay. Oh, okay, look, this one, it's very beautiful. But no, I don't want this, I don't want. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's just find BMW. I want a BMW. Okay. Oh, look, BMW F80. Okay, it doesn't have many likes. Blah, blah, blah. BMW 3 Series E19. Okay, let's try to get to this one. Okay, and you have to scroll down and press this link. Also generate link, of course, and you will have to wait a little bit. Okay, then press download link and download. Okay, maybe it will pop up some ads, just close them, and that's all. Okay, downloads. Okay, and now the mod is downloading. Okay, so we have to wait. But first, what we are gonna do? Press the Windows button and type like this: %app data %. Enter. You have to go app data local, and here you can find Beamng. Okay, and this one current, and go at mods. You don't have to put the mods or multiplayer or repo, you have to put them here. So after the mod is installed, we are going to the mod. Okay, and we are just gonna drag it here. Bam, the mod is here. Okay, now we go on Steam library and we are gonna start Beamng point drive. And let's see if the mod is working, if it's okay, if it has good textures and stuff like that. So okay, I think the game just started on the second monitor. Oh no, it's on the first. Okay, that's good. So yeah, if you like this video and it's helping you, I hope you press the like button. Okay, now we go free roam, and we are going to Italy because many of you like Italy map. Okay, we press start, and now we have to wait for this loading to be full so we can spawn on the map. Okay, it's almost finished. It only has to load the roads. Now the game is gonna start, and we are gonna verify if the BMW is there. I really hope it's there in it. I hope it's working. Okay, you can hear the car engine working. Okay, now go vehicles, and we're gonna try to find the BMW. Where are you? I don't see it. I'm blind. Oh, there is. I don't see it. Oh, look. Okay. It's the first. Okay, E90. We are gonna choose. Well, this one, I think. This one. We're gonna replace the car, and let's see if the car and the mode is working properly. Because there will be some issues like no textures or stuff like that, bad quality interior, or the deformation of the car isn't very great. So you kind of need to get pretty okay modes. Okay, this mod, I think it's loading, so it can take some time for it to load, so you just have to wait a little bit. Because maybe this mod is very high quality and it has to load absolutely everything from it. Okay, the mod is here, the mod is working, the mod is full loaded. Ooh. Wow, the mod seems so cool. Wow, I like the interior. Okay, let's see if we have some interactions. Okay, we can open, close the door. The hood. Oh, we can work with the buttons. That's very cool. Here, no, sadly we can't use this. Here, start, stop, and this is kind of all of things we can work with. Okay, okay. You change it. Sport. Okay, let's see the engine. Ooh, it looks good. Look, it really looks good. Ah, okay, let's go. Oh, it's automatic. Well, the car sounds very good. I can't lie about that. The speedo, it's working properly. The handling, it's pretty okay. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, let's hit the car. Well, there is no texture, which is very good. Let's try to spawn another version. Crazy. Stock stage 3. Stock V2. Wait, there's so many configurations. Competition. Let's try this one. Now it spawns so fast. Whoa. Wow. This car sounds so good. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Whoa. 2 kilometers. Whoa. Okay. Okay. But yeah, guys, this is the proper way of installing mods on Beamng. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button, and I see you next time.